do I want to look at? You could try a different visual. This one is like a waterfall chart in Excel. Normally, for when you have data that starts low and goes to high, or a high number which is funneled down into a small one. Often for things like inquiries through to sales. So you may have a lot of inquiries which is funneled through until you have a small amount of sales. There are tree maps, which is a modern version, really, of a pie chart, just in this format instead of in a square instead of a circle. So let's just try doing that. We've decided to use this visual. What do we want to do with this visual? I want to look at my sales revenue. How do I want to look at that? By glove type. So my different glove types show me the revenue, and the blocks are fairly similar with my winter sales company. But if I had a smaller block, you might decide it's actually a type that you won't sell anymore. Because if my wool gloves went down to a very small slither and all of the others were larger, again, it's all giving you insights, and you can see it so easily like this. If we click away from that and go to a pie chart and do the same thing, a glove type and the sales revenue, they are exactly the same data, just displayed in a slightly different format.